Sounds.
How's it going, guys? Back with another video, and this is a very special one because we're driving a 2013 Audi S8, and this thing is fully loaded, man. This is an absolutely crazy car. This is gonna be a very short kind of review. I don't have too much time with this car, but the time that we have with it, and we're gonna make use of it. Here we go. It really moves. Yeah, this car really moves for its size. It's got about 500 horsepower. It's a 4-liter twin turbo V8 engine, and my god, this thing is absolutely insane. The newer version of this car, the Audi A8 Plus, actually has almost about 600 horsepower. Now, the biggest thing about this car is that it's supposed to be a sport luxury car. Now, does it do that properly? In my opinion, I'd say so, because if you go into the menu over here and you go to car, you can actually pick the drive mode of this car. Now, usually in most cars, drive modes don't really change the characteristics of the car all that much, but in this car I feel that it really does. You feel the car tighten up, and for a car that's about 4,500 pounds, it can really move around some corners. And you got the world famous Audi Quattro system in this car, and man, this thing is an all-round beast. You get up to speed so quickly, it's mind-numbing. Okay, so we're in S mode. Let's pop it into manual. And if you take the transmission out of sport mode and put it into drive and pop it into comfort like it is now, everything changes back to normal, and it becomes this crazy comfortable limousine that, like, I feel like I could drive this car all day, no problem. Long distance is no problem in this car. And the speed, man, this thing is probably crazy on the Autobahn. Now let's talk materials. Everything is leather wrapped, or it has this nice Alcantara finish. Just everything what you'd expect in an Audi. These beautiful diamond quilted seats. So let's talk audio, because I really like a good sound system in a high-end car like this. You got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You got these tweeters, or I think these measure the acoustics of the car, so it always gets it right. And this car really sounds great. Multimedia controls are easy enough in this car. If you've ever driven an Audi of this era, it's very easy and very simple to get used to. I was up and running in no time at all. All your climate control is controlled over here. Your fan speed, for example, with this knob, if you turn it off, it goes to the climate selection, the temperature you would like it at. And everything is just nicely put in this area. Now, this car features this touchpad, which is a really cool feature. Actually, I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. Now, inputting navigation data is very easy with this, surprisingly, because usually I prefer just to have a knob, but it works very well. So as you can see, the modes shifted into this, and we could write S-U-N. We're going to the sun. And what's really cool is if you don't want the screen here, you can just press this and you get this really clean look all across the dash. Features, this car is crazy. It has everything you can think of. It has all the best technologies of the era. It has the night vision mode over here, as you can see in the cluster. Maybe you can't see it. It has the radar guided cruise control, which works really well. And you got your blind spot monitors, your lane keep assist, and everything that you'd actually want from a car like this. So to keep things short, I think everything that Audi wanted to achieve with this car, they did. They absolutely knocked it out of the park. This thing is as comfortable as can be, and it's a really fast car. It's surprising for the size, how nimble it actually is, and the way it puts power down is like nothing else. Thank you guys for watching this short little review, and let me know what you guys think about this car, or if you're thinking of buying one.